Welcome to the Boat Show. I'm Bill Hackett. Today we're lucky enough to be coming to you from Pardo. We're at the world premiere for the E72. It is the flagship for the endurance range. This is the big sister to the E60. Step on board with me and let me show you around. The beautiful passerelle gets tucked away and the swim platform dips down into the water so you can relax and enjoy a nice cocktail in the evening. And then we have the aft tender garage so you can accommodate up to a 4-meter tender. And of course it has the tender carriage to get it on and off the boat. Super easy. Can you believe this gorgeous boat is 72 feet long and 2 inches? She has 18 feet, 6 inches of beam. But it gets so much better because the beam gets increased with twin patio Mediterranean doors, so it increases the beam by 6 feet. This boat is entirely about this open area in here. This is indoor-outdoor living with the sea, right? It's a palace on the water. The galley is open to everything. Dine out here undercover, but you're al fresco at the same time on the interior. And then again, we have these massive patio doors which open up and extend the space, extend the luxury. This yacht is like no other you're ever going to see. This is a very unique space because we're in constant contact with our guests all on one level, but we're really in contact with the sea. You're going to enjoy the journey. It is all about the journey because at 12 knots, you can go 900 nautical miles and really enjoy the ride because this boat is about enjoying the sea. The main deck helm is a duplicate of the Flybridge. Well appointed, great visibility up here, comfortable for your captain. Then we have access through a watertight door bow forward. And then of course, when you're ready to dock this thing, you go to the aft end. We have an aft docking station as well. The crew is going to be able to meet all your needs with this phenomenal galley. Now let's go take a look at the cabins below. Step into the primary and you can see the amount of storage. You're ready to go for a long cruise and relax in style and luxury. Plenty of space, headroom, and the lighting here is impeccable, but I love the furnishings. Starboard side, you'll find the VIP, plenty of space, plenty of storage, fully ensuite, and just outside the VIP, we'll find the day head. Step forward into these matching cabins for your guests. Fully ensuite, great lighting, great natural light in here, and plenty of storage for a long passage. First of its kind here in the endurance range and great for the Americas is this hardtop. Check out the headliner, beautifully well lit, but the best part about this is it has an electrically actuated sunroof in the front, and then we have a rear sunshade that's electrically actuated as well. We also have a summer kitchen on the starboard side as well, and then in the aft end, a massive lounger. Now the best part about the lounger is you can catch the sun, you can catch the rays, and there's also copious amounts of storage underneath. The finishes from the summer kitchen to the furniture are absolutely luxurious. You're going to have one happy captain. I have a dual Garmin array. Everything is integrated between the Volvo Penta controls, my joystick. I also have my bow thruster up here, and the design is eloquent, efficient, and fantastic visibility up here. The sun is glorious up here in the bow, and you're going to love this area to entertain, relax, and a fantastic sun lounge up front. And then just forward of the sun lounge is crew access with a double bed, washer, dryer, everything you need. But the best part about the bow is you're in close contact with the sea. Bordiso Caponi is the interior designer for this luxurious yacht. He is also new to the Endurance line and Pardo. I think this is a really beautiful boat. You can see yourself enjoying a long-range cruise. What you should do is step on board, see the refinements, see the finishes, and see yourself in luxury on this boat.